Hello everyone, and welcome to BackTech Product. Today, we're diving into the best hot melt glue gun, a versatile tool that combines precision, safety, and performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional crafter, this glue gun has features designed to make your project seamless. Let's get started. Features of Gorilla Hot Melt Glue Gun. Dual temperature control. This glue gun comes with a dual temperature setting, giving you flexibility for different materials. Low heat, ideal for delicate materials like fabric, foam, jewelry, and floral work. High heat, perfect for creating strong bonds on tougher materials like wood, plastic, metal, and glass. Easy to use. Designed for user convenience, the Gorilla Glue Gun is lightweight and equipped with several ergonomic features. Comfort grip ensures prolonged usage without hand fatigue. Wide base provides stability when the gun is at rest. Easy squeeze trigger reduces effort for precise glue application. Long insulated nozzle allows accurate and clean application, even in tight spots. Enhanced safety features. Safety is a top priority with this glue gun. Safety fuse automatically shuts the glue gun off in case of a short circuit. Side fins enable the gun to lie safely on its side, preventing glue from backing up. Insulated nozzle protects against burns, making it safer for users of all skill levels. Weather-resistant glue sticks. The included hot glue sticks are weather-resistant, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects. They are impact-tough and provide a working time of 45 seconds, ensuring precise placement before setting. All-in-one kit. This glue gun kit is comprehensive, including Dual Temp Mini Glue Gun, 75 count for mini glue sticks. It's a ready-to-go solution for all your crafting and repair needs. Pros. Dual temp flexibility. Adapts to a wide range of materials, making it suitable for various projects. User-friendly design. Lightweight with an easy-to-grip handle and precise trigger control. Safety first. Features like the insulated nozzle, safety fuse, and side fins enhance user safety. Weather-resistant glue sticks. Reliable performance for indoor and outdoor use. Impact-tough bonding. Strong adhesive power that withstands wear and tear. Complete kit. Comes with 75 glue sticks, eliminating the need for immediate refills. Cons. Limited glue stick compatibility. Only works with foam mini glue sticks, which may not be as readily available as standard-sized sticks. Corded design. Lacks the portability of a cordless glue gun, requiring access to an electrical outlet. Small glue capacity. Being a mini glue gun, it may need frequent reloading for larger projects. The Gorilla Hot Melt Glue Gun is an exceptional tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Its dual temperature settings, safety features, and ergonomic design make it a versatile choice for crafting, repairs, and more. While it has some limitations, such as its reliance on mini glue sticks and corded operation, the overall performance and convenience it offers are hard to beat. For more details and pricing, check the link in the description of our video. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more insightful reviews and product recommendations.